Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making some super cute and easy ghosts for upcoming Halloween. I'd be so grateful if you subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoy these kinds of videos, please remember to give this one a thumbs up. For this project you'll need aluminum foil, white dry clay, clay tools, or everyday items like a spoon or fork if you don't have sculpting tools, sandpaper, black acrylic paint, a sealant like acrylic lacquer or Mod Podge, and some paintbrushes. I used aluminum foil as the base, which is a great trick for keeping a dry clay lightweight and making the piece hollow so it dries properly. I roughly shaped the foil into a ghost silhouette. Next I covered the foil shape with air dry clay, thick enough so the foil won't show through if I decide to sand it later. I crafted wavy edges around the bottom and left a tiny pedestal underneath, making the ghost look like it's floating slightly when set on a table. I smoothed out the surface with a bit of water and made tiny little arms out of clay. To attach them, I scored both joining surfaces, added a tiny bit of water, and blended the seams together. I also pressed in the eye shapes using the back end of a paintbrush. Once the clay was completely dry, I sanded the surface to make it nice and smooth, but this is not necessary if you don't want to sand. Remember to wear a dust mask so you don't breathe in any fine dust. I used 180 grit sandpaper first and then 400 grit for a finer finish. Then I painted the eyes using black acrylic paint. Finally, I sealed the ghost with an acrylic lacquer, which gave a lovely shine. and we're all done. I think these are super adorable Halloween decorations and these are great to make with kids too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!